In the previous episode,
Hello my friends and welcome to my laboratory. In the last episode we achieved combustion. The only problem is that combustion means heat, and my 3D printed piston definitely has beef with heat. After disassembling the engine, this is what the piston looked like. This looks like a 20% infill to me. So I redesigned and reprinted the piston, this time gave it 100% infill and one more ring on the top. And because I have the engine disassembled, I decided to make a proper head gasket out of the aluminum I got from a Coke can. I traced it with the old gasket, cut it with a small scissor, and this is how they came out. Of course I had to install them with the racing gasket maker. Well, we are definitely ready for another round of testing. We definitely have a problem with the fueling system, because this is what happens when I spray a bit of brake cleaner in the intake. Another problem that I noticed is that my flywheel is not well attached to the crankshaft. You can clearly see the bell stopping, but the flywheel keeps rotating. Yet another catastrophic failure. Once again the crankcase snapped, but both the head and the cylinder are in good shape. The only problem is that the rod got absolutely demolished. Unfortunately, this is all I have for this episode, mainly because I'm out of PLA and it takes a couple of days for my material to arrive, and also I wanna make a better fueling system for this engine. Maybe we are gonna do injectors, I'm not sure. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
I know this movie is ending, but let me sit through the end credits. Remember the names and faces I loved, who always believed in who I'd become.